In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email in Outlook. By the end, you'll know how to set a specific date and time for your message to go out in both the classic Outlook desktop app on Windows and in Outlook on the web or the new Outlook. Let's start with the classic Outlook desktop app on Windows. Begin by opening a new email and composing your message as you normally would. When you're ready to schedule it, look at the ribbon at the top and go to the Options tab. There, click Delay Delivery. If you don't see it right away, it may be tucked under a More Commands or Overflow menu depending on your ribbon layout. A Properties window will open. In the Delivery Options area, check the box that says Do Not Deliver Before. Then pick the exact date and time you want. Make sure it's the correct day and time for your time zone. When you're done, click Close to return to your email, and then click Send as usual. Don't worry, your email won't go out immediately. It will move to your outbox and stay there until the time you chose. A quick tip: keep Outlook open and connected around the scheduled time so the message can send as expected. If you want peace of mind before then, you can simply glance at your outbox to see that it's queued. Now let's cover Outlook on the web and the new Outlook experience. Start by composing your email as you normally would. When you're ready to schedule it, click the small drop-down arrow next to the Send button. In some layouts, this option is near the three dots menu, so check there if you don't see it right away. Choose Schedule Send. You'll see suggested times, like tomorrow morning, or you can choose a time to set a custom date and time that fits your needs. After you pick the time, confirm by clicking Send on the pop-up. The email won't go out yet, it will sit in your drafts folder until the scheduled time arrives. If you want to verify the timing later, just open Drafts and confirm the schedule. Also, double-check your time zone in your account settings to ensure the message sends exactly when you intend. That's all there is to it. Whether you're on the classic desktop app or the web and new Outlook, scheduling a send helps you communicate at the perfect time without needing to be at your desk. Thanks for watching.